SpaceX, as Dan mentioned, not the only private group contracted with NASA. Another company says it's not necessarily competing with SpaceX. A spokesperson for Orbital Sciences says they are interested observers in today's launch out of Cape Canaveral. As Fox 21's Co-Im reminds us now, Orbital Sciences is planning its own launch through the Mid-Atlantic Regional Spaceport on Wallops Island in the next few months.
Steve, both Orbital and SpaceX are contracted with NASA to carry 20 metric tons total of supplies to the space station. How quickly and how efficiently may be where they differ. Liquid nitrogen flows from these tanks at this launch pad at NASA Wallops Flight Facility.
And this is the first launch pad of its type that's been built in the United States in the last 40 years.
It's built by a Virginia-based company called Orbital Sciences Corporation. Orbital is one of 2 commercial companies so far contracted by NASA to bring supplies to the International Space Station, but it's not the first to do so. SpaceX from California started looking into commercial launches about 2 years before Orbital did. Tuesday, SpaceX was able to successfully launch the first private vessel to the ISS.
Launch of the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket.
SpaceX has received $381 million of seed money from NASA. Orbital has about $100 million less. While SpaceX has expressed interest in sending astronauts up to space, a company spokesperson says Orbital is focused on cargo only. They say it's why this Antares rocket and Cygnus capsule will be able to carry more supplies in a single trip, about the weight of a mid-sized car. According to the company, Orbital will then only have to make 8 trips instead of SpaceX's scheduled 12. The final product will go up this ramp. The launch will be from over there, set for late summer, early fall. It's a move NASA is banking on so that the agency could venture into deep space exploration, landing on, say, asteroids and Mars, something that excites people we spoke with.
The moon's already been conquered, and the sun's a little hot, so you gotta head the other way.
And it's probably better commercial. They can probably do it cheaper than the government can.
Last week's test launch of Orbital's pad at NASA Wallops went smoothly, keeping the company on track to launch its rocket in a few months. Orbital has a $1.9 billion contract with NASA through 2015. Keep in mind, the International Space Station is supposed to be up and running through at least 2020. So it's likely Orbital's contract with NASA could be renewed at the Wallops Flight Facility in Accomack County.